What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Darren Tang. I'm on the wait list for the Masters, so I really need to win this tournament because this is our local Masters, and if you win, you get a Masters entry. So I'm gonna go do my best. Well, that's not the start we were looking for. There's hook out there. They're not very easy, that's for sure. Say you see a fair amount of high scores? What are you looking at? There are none. He might have won a high game pot with 230. That wasn't that bad, man. Oh, this is such a shitty pair. It's the only pair in the building that looks like that. That could have gone one of two ways, and it went the right way this time. I would have been really happy with just the 7-pin. That's terrible. Brooklyn. Terrible shot, not a terrible result. I'm gonna call it now, 7 people are gonna be plus. Oh, Brooklyn. That's huge. I'm about as comfortable as I can be. My right foot slipped. I don't like it when people make a mess and they don't clean up after themselves.
Talking about the powder on the tables?
Yeah, like it was all over the table, it's all over the seats. I slipped my first shot and got lucky, and then I threw a good one at a 10-pin. And I slipped on the spare, and now, of course, I'm paranoid about my feet the whole time, so just not a good headspace. Hi, Stu.
Remember last year when we were here?
Yeah.
The guy's pocket exploded?
Oh my God. Where did that come from?
My vape, I think, just blew up.
That's already a positive from this year. That hasn't happened.
Because it's not happening yet.
No, it's
There's time. There's plenty of time. Oh. One more. Woo. All right, that's enough. For the love that is all good. Let me get one more. Come on, Gold Label, bring us home. Game time, baby. Off. Three good shots, 3 strikes, 4 bad shots, 4 non-strikes. It all adds up. Go, go. God! Literally every shot you didn't strike was just you. Got to ball a little better. It's my highest game of the day, but it was just a very poorly bowled game. Come on, man. I gotta get over this, man. This is why I always bowl like at the US Open. Gotta be steep, but I know that it falls off, so I'm always like, in the back of my head, you gotta. I was watching you do it that last game, I was like, all right, yeah, we could do that. I got the visual in my head, nut, I was like, yeah. Please curve. Oh, that's not good. Yes! Bad shot, throw strike, let's go. All right, we all got one now. Oh, hook a lot. This lane hooks a lot. Oh, everybody. God, f off. That f***ing spare pisses me off. I'm about to throw this shit in the garbage. That shot was pretty f***ing good. All right, cool. Cleaning up after the children again. I just don't want to fall down. Ah. Man, pair to pair is just a f***ing roller coaster, dude. One out. Oh, man, no. Oh. It's a grind out there. Fortunate we got that 290 in there.
Oh, yeah.
Really carrying the block. Hopefully we can get one more good game. Quicker ball's not the answer. Slower ball. I'm just not happy. I bowled terrible that game. Didn't do the right things. Missed 2 makeables for no reason. Actually, I thought I picked up the 3-6-10 off my hand and then it just kept fading. I'm gonna go blow some steam and we'll be back for 3 games.
How did blowing steam go?
It's all right. Actually, a guy came up to me and he watches on Twitch and he came up to me, he had some secret illustration art Charizard. He's like, "This is for you." I'm like, man, that made my day. But yeah, we made some money in the action. Funny enough, the guy that bowled the worst made the most money. That's just how it goes sometimes, but I'm in 6th. I'm 1 pin out of the show. We just gotta bowl better because honestly, today wasn't great. Hasn't been great so far, so just gotta step it up.
And
Oh,
oh no.
I was gonna say, at one point I was the tournament leader.
Game 1?
Yeah.
He did make the most in the side action, so he carried us. He bowled good games at the right time.
I can't escape your love. It's following me. I'm afraid that I won't move on if you never leave.
Why is this pair even a thing in this place? Jesus. Oh my God. They put the hardest pattern known to mankind on the hardest pair in the world. This is good. This is real good. Oh, they know this pair is bad. Why would they play this one? You know what's mind-blowing to me? There's so many lanes in this bowling center and they chose this one. Yeah. It would have been so easy to just not put us on this pair. Like, yeah, I got the short stick, but still, in the grand scheme of things, this pair's not even close to the other 4. You put something like this out on a pair like this, like, what are you gonna do? I got nowhere to go. I get there's nothing I can do about it, but they are literally impossible. All right, so this is a normal pair. This is the pair we're bowling on. And we've known about this pair since this place opened. So the question is, what ball do I throw straight? I think it's got to be the tour dynamics. So when I throw that one, it kind of picks up because of the layout. I don't have a lot of good things to say, and my parents taught me if I don't have good things to say, I'm not going to say them. So they were really hard today. I bowled one good game that got me into the cut. Some unfortunate things happened this block. The 10 over, I would have needed 240 the last game to make it. And 240 was a stretch on this, so I'm not going to say what I'm thinking because it's not politically correct, and it's something that needs to be said behind closed doors. So I will discuss that with the tournament director because it just wasn't fair. If I count myself, it cost 2 people a chance of making it, and it almost cost another. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Hit that sub button, please.